everyone, this is Maria. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a slat wall. You would need a few tools to make it happen. Make sure you measure it right and identify the spacing needed. In my case, it was a budget project and I used 2x6 studs. A better wood choice would make your wall look even better. Measure twice and cut the wood. To connect the studs, I used a tool to make pocket holes. You pick the right size and drill the holes. I came up with a small shelf as a touch between two slat walls that are used instead of stair rails. Alright, the wall is installed. I have filled the holes with a wood filler and now I'm going to sand it with a 60 grit and touching it up with a 200 grit. Now it's paint time. Here's the final result. I wanted to keep it a natural color, so that's why I went with this water-based stain in whitewash pickling. The final touch of this project was this poly in satin finish. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. Cheers!